Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're diving into the mouth-watering world of one of America's most iconic foods, the hamburger. But where did the American hamburger originate? How did it become such a beloved symbol of American culture? Let's explore the fascinating history behind this classic dish. The story of the hamburger begins long before it became a staple of American fast food. Its origins can be traced back to the 19th century, when German immigrants brought a dish called Hamburg steak to the United States. Hamburg steak was made from minced beef that was seasoned and cooked, often served with onions and gravy. It was named after the German city of Hamburg, where this style of preparing meat was popular. By the late 1800s, Hamburg steak began to evolve in America. It was placed between slices of bread, making it easier to eat on the go. This simple but brilliant idea is believed to have been popularized at various events and fairs. One widely accepted story credits Louis Lassen, a Danish immigrant who ran a lunch wagon in New Haven, Connecticut in 1900. He is said to have served the first hamburger by placing a ground beef patty between two pieces of bread to satisfy a customer in a hurry. Another competing story claims that the hamburger was born at the 1904 St. Louis World's Fair, where it was introduced to a larger audience and quickly gained popularity. Regardless of its exact origin, the hamburger soon captured America's heart and appetite. The real explosion of the hamburger's popularity came with the rise of fast food chains in the 20th century. In 1921, White Castle opened its doors in Wichita, Kansas, and became the first fast food chain to sell hamburgers. White Castle's clean, efficient kitchens and low prices made hamburgers accessible to people across the country. Later, McDonald's, founded in 1948, revolutionized the fast food industry by introducing the concept of quick service burgers that could be produced quickly and consistently. Today, the hamburger is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of American culture. From backyard barbecues to gourmet burger joints, this beloved food continues to evolve, with endless variations that include everything from classic cheeseburgers to plant-based alternatives. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know the fascinating history of the American hamburger and how it became an essential part of American culture. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.